Hey guys, thanks for tagging along for another video. Today we stopped by UMI Hotpot Sushi and Buffet in Castleton. This is an all-you-can-eat lunch and dinner buffet located right next door to the Castleton Mall. Umi, meaning ocean in Japanese, reflects their dedication to bringing the freshest flavors of the sea to the table. Lunch and dinner prices do vary, so be sure to come at the right time. We came during lunch hours and there was a decent crowd, but nothing too crazy. This place is a pretty decent size with seating all over. I love the below lighting that houses the plates as well as all around decor and vibe. The variety of sushi was all laid out in a beautiful display with chilled on ice. Everything had a label on it, so you're not just eating blind. I, of course, didn't get the name of anything I tried. UMI Buffet has pretty much redefined fast casual dining with a fresh and flavorful menu. They combine the best in traditional Asian recipes with a modern twist. These were all yogurt in a variety of flavors. This is my amazing soon-to-be mother-in-law enjoying the food experience as well. Here's my amazing daughter enjoying a popsicle while still looking for something new to try. I still don't fully understand what these are, but to me they kind of just look like fish eggs. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments, but I don't know. I've seen fish eggs and this is what it looks like. I am a sucker for some sushi, so of course I did want to try a couple little different kinds. To me, this looked like some kind of tongue. I didn't read what it said, but it looked like a tongue and it kind of feels like a tongue. I did, of course, try it and spit it right back out just because I didn't like the texture of it. Not sure what it is. And then, of course, you can't go wrong with just some kind of shrimp, I guess, on some rice. Some things this place does have is chilled stone crab claws, mussels, Cajun crawfish, butter baked whole crab, snow crab legs, oysters, shrimp of course, snails, tiger prawns. I mean, the list just goes on. I think I had this one on my last plate, but it was so good I had to get it again. I think it has like crab meat on it with some kind of sauce. A1, I'm telling you. This looks like it has some kind of cheese, I guess, on it. I don't know, but that was also pretty fire. I would get that again. This one was my least favorite. I don't know what was on top of that. Just the yellow one has like a weird flavor. The rice helped with the flavor, I guess, but it was not my favorite. This one was definitely interesting. It had a little jalapeno on it, some kind of sauce, but it was good. It was just very the pepper was a good taste, a good touch to it. I did get crab legs. They did have different kinds. They had hot and cold. Of course, the hot, everyone kept taking that, so I couldn't ever get any, so I just had to go for the cold. Of course, you gotta soak it in some butter and then take it from there. If you know, you know. But hey, thanks for watching another video by us. I swear we'll start posting more, but we are just really trying to save as much money as we can to pay off this wedding. We are now under 100 days. That's awesome, I know. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, then hit that like button below. That lets us know we are on the right track for making great content. Again, thanks guys. Enjoy the rest of your time. We'll see you again soon. Peace.